Good morning all of you. I am Rani Praveen and I am from batch number 463 and I am standing here to do conversation with my friend Nikkhat and I am playing the role of shopkeeper.
Good morning everyone. I am Ms Praveen from batch number 463. I am standing here to do conversation with my friend Rani and I am playing the role of customer. Excuse me ma'am.
Yes. How can I help you?
I have to buy a cloth.
Which type of cloth do you want to buy?
I want to buy a suit with a pant.
I have a suit and means suit with pant.
Which type of you have with collar, pocket? This type of please.
I have a suit with collar. Do you want to see it?
Yes, I want to. Please
See there.
Yes. I think I want to black and white.
Sorry ma'am, I have not suit in black color.
So I want to black color, but I want to same. Okay.
You can buy red color.
No, I don't want to red color. But okay, I want to light green.
Light green.
Please.
See there.
Yes, it is good. What about price?
2000.
Wow. It is not fair. Please discount.
Our charges is competitive.
I know, but I am your daily customer, so please
I know.
some percentage. Please discount.
This is not possible.
Please 10%.
Okay, I will discount 10% on.